This is a Sea Terrace Cabin 8226Z on Brilliant Lady. This cabin does come with an obstructed view, so just a heads up, but you get the balcony with the signature hammocks, roomy rain shower, glam area, mood lighting, and HD TV. The room does come with a little vanity desk area, and you can control the room with the iPad and a mini bar that's stocked. So like I said, this is an obstructed view cabin. It has all the amenities of a sea terrace room. The balcony is slightly smaller, and you can't see because there's a lifeboat in the way. But if you just care about sitting out on your balcony with your eyes closed and just hanging out in your hammock, I don't really think it matters. Okay, this is new to Virgin, the Voyage Fair Choices, which is supposed to offer some transparency. This is only applicable for Sea Terrace cabins and below, so if you book a Mega Rockstar room or a Rockstar room, this doesn't apply to you. There are 3 different levels: Base Fare, Essential Fare, and Premium Fare. I went ahead and highlighted some key differences in the different fare types so that you're aware, and it allows you the flexibility to tailor your sailing more to you. Now, with all 3 of these fare types, you still have dining, entertainment, Wi-Fi, fitness classes, and soda and water included. I have more Brilliant Lady room tours that I've done. I have like 2 others that I posted right now, but I have like 12 more to post. So you can watch what I have posted on this playlist here. I do have a full tour of the Brilliant Lady that I did, which was so much fun, that you can watch. But anyway, until the next adventure, keep exploring!
No.